Wind. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friends with it? I mean, how can we bold during the wind? The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. I mean, when the wind comes, it causes a lot of destruction. So in that situation, we should be strong. Here, wind is hardship in the human's life. So how can we make friends with it? How can we friendly with the wind? I mean, how can we strong with the wind? Let's see. Wind come softly. Wind come softly. Don't break the shutter of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. Here, in the first stanza, the poet is going to blame to the wind. What he is saying, wind come softly. You should come softly. Why it should come softly? Don't break the shutter of the window, because when you come, the shutter of the window break down. So come softly means come slowly. Don't scatter the papers. The paper lying on the table is being scattered during the wind. So the poet is saying that don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Whatever the books are in the shelf, don't put down. Don't throw down. Dear children, when the wind comes, it causes so many destruction. For example, the poet saying, when it comes, it breaks the shutter of the window. Then it scattered the papers. Then throw down the books on the shelf. जब ये हवा है, जब आते हैं, तो क्या क्या नुकसान पहुंचाता है? The कवि tried to explain it. So he is requesting wind, come softly, because when you come strongly, you break the shutter of the window. जब आप strongly आते हो तो हमें नुकसान होता है. क्या नुकसान होता है? जो विंडो के शटर जो है, शटर ऑफ द विंडो क्या होते हैं? ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. जो पेपर्स होते हैं वो यहाँ वहां जो है फैल जाते हैं. स्कैटर द पेपर्स. डोंट थ्रो डाउन द बुक्स ऑन द शेल्फ. जो शेल्फ जो है, आलमीरा में जो बुक पड़ी हुई होती है, वह यहाँ वहां बिखर जाते हैं. देयर लुक व्हाट यू डिड. द पोएट इज सेइंग टू द विंड, लुक व्हाट यू डिड. देखो तुमने क्या किया. What you did? You threw them all down. You threw them all down. तुमने क्या किया? देखो, is it a good work? No, it is a very bad work. What you did? You threw them all down. आपने सबको नीचे फेंक दिया. So this is not a good task. So hey, wind, please come softly. Dear children, here the poet is saying that when the wind comes strongly, many kind of destruction is being done by it. बहुत सारे जो है डिस्ट्रक्शन, बर्बादियां जो है उसके द्वारा हो जाती है. सो ही इज रिक्वेस्टिंग हेयर. वो रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि कम, आई अलाउ यू, यू कांट स्टॉप यू, बट कम सॉफ्टली. डोंट ब्रेक द शटर ऑफ द विंडो. देन डाउन, you tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Yes, children, the word has come poking. Poking means making a fun. Poking fun means मेकिंग अ ग्रेट फन, किसी का मजाक उड़ाना। एट वीकलिंग्स,